everyone, my name is Alexa Sitomi and I am aspiring to become an event manager, specializing in tourism related events. The event I would like to manage is a tourism expo where local and international travel agencies, hotels, and tourism offices come together to showcase travel opportunities and cultural attractions. So first, what an event manager does and why the role is important in the MICE industry. So an event manager is responsible for planning, organizing, and executing events from the start to finish. And the MICE industry stands for meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions. The event managers ensures that every detail from logistic to guest experience runs smoothly. This role is vital because events like Tourism Expo, trade fairs, and conferences bring business together, boost the economy, and promote destinations to potential visitors. Example, in a Tourism Expo, I would make sure exhibitors have what they need, visitors have a seamless experience, and all schedules are followed efficiently. Second, key players involved, internal and external. For the internal, we have event planning team, marketing team, logistics staff, and finance team. For the external, we have managers, suppliers, local tourism offices, exhibitors, sponsors, and media partners. So, for the event planning team responsibilities, they creates the event concept, layout, and schedule, handles permits, registration processes, and guest coordination, ensures all logistical needs are organized before the event. Second is the marketing and promotions team. They develops and executes marketing campaigns to attract exhibitors and visitors, manages social media, advertisements, and partnerships with tourism influencers, design event, posters, digital ads, and promotional materials. And for the finance team, they manages the budget, tracks expenses, and prepares final reports. They ensures payment to suppliers and collects fees from sponsors or exhibitors. Next is the logistics and operations team. They handle physical arrangements, venue setup, stage, sound light, and decoration. Next is the hospitality and registration staff. They welcome guests, assess exhibitors, and handles on-site registrations. They provide information and ensures attendees have a positive experience. For the external key players, we have venue management. Venue management provides or prepares the location for the event, handles utilities, security, and facility maintenance. Next is the suppliers and vendors. They provide essential services like catering, decorations, equipment rentals, and souvenirs. Then they ensure timely delivery and setup of all materials. Next is the tourism offices and local government units, LGUs. Support the event through permits, promotions, and local tourism information. They provide booths or presentations to promote their destinations. So next is the sponsors and exhibitors. Financially support the event in exchange for brand exposure. Participate in showcasing their products or travel services to attendees. Next is the media partners and influencers. Promote the event through TV, radio, print, or online platforms. They increase visibility before, during, and after the event. Next is the security and safety personnel. They ensure the safety of guests and manage emergency protocols. Work closely with local police or medical teams if needed. So number 3, analyzing competitors or similar events. So I would research other tourism expo or travel fairs by observing their teams, promotional strategies, visitor engagement, and feedback from participants. This helps identify what worked well and what can be improved to my event more competitive and unique. So example, if another expo use social media influencers successfully, I'd plan to collaborate with travel vloggers for better promotion. Next is the ethical practices. As an event manager, I would practice fairness, transparency, and sustainability. That means ensuring equal opportunities for exhibitors, providing accurate information to participants, and reducing waste by using eco-friendly materials and digital brochures instead of printed ones. Next is sample event checklist. So first we have secure venue and permits. Second is confirm exhibitors and booth arrangements. Next is finalize sponsorships agreements. Then promote event online and offline. Then arrange logistics like sound, lights, stage, and catering. Then next is train staff and volunteers. And lastly, conduct safety and sustainability checks. So, to be a great event manager, I believe you need a strong organization, communication, creativity, and adaptability. I plan to develop these qualities by gaining more hands on experience, learning from mentors in the tourism industry, and continuously improving my planning and leadership skills. And thank you for watching, and I look forward to creating memorable and meaningful tourism events in the future.